let's start. Starting first, caudally. Number 1 here, the largest of the skull bases foramina is the foramen magnum. Number 2 is the medulla oblongata, which is the most inferior of the 3 parts of the brainstem. Let's go up. Cranially, number 3 is the vertebral artery. 4 is the cerebellar tonsil. Moving up further, 5 is the premedullary cistern. The premedullary cistern. And 6 here, coming into view, is the internal jugular vein. We must note that the CT in front of us is non-contrast. If this were contrast images, we would see that the arteries and veins would light up.